Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful truck. It's a 1972 Cheyenne C10. Pretty well equipped too. It's a 350, power steering, power brakes. It's got aluminum heads, nice lumpy cam in it, and air conditioning. I got Tim, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Tim?
Good, how are you, Mike?
Man, what a pretty truck.
Yes, thank you.
Love the colors too. So tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 72.
Okay.
It's a Super Cheyenne.
So they're loaded, Super Cheyenne.
I ordered it. I had it shipped off from Texas.
Cool.
And it's pretty much original other than the motor.
Wow. So paint, interior is original?
Yes.
I saw the saddle interior on the build sheet in the glove box. Pretty cool.
Yes, I think they call that fabric houndstooth.
Mm-hmm. Dual exhaust.
Yeah, dual exhaust headers, aluminum heads. An oversized cam.
It's hard to find them original like this.
Yes.
Super straight body. Original paint too, huh?
Yes.
Wow. Love that trim. It's part of the Cheyenne package.
Good,
it really does. It's like a mustard yellow against the white with the brown.
Yes.
So 70s, man. Yeah. Sitting on the rally wheels. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Guessing it's always been garage kept.
Yes.
You got some upgrades too. You put a stereo in it. Saw the amp under the seat.
Okay. Yes, I don't really use it too much, but it's there. It sounds great.
Really nice. Focal speakers. Those are high end.
Steering wheel.
Tilt wheel. Full gauges. So you got the battery, temp, oil pressure, and a tachometer right in the middle there. Man, love the colors. Super Cheyenne. Look at that. Alpine stereo with all the goodies. The air conditioning works off the factory controls, right?
Yes.
Man, this truck is clean, Tim. Headliner. Rear sliding window. Bed mat. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. You know what they say, right?
Yep.
Only original once.
There you go. Sometimes that thing
The original rubber mats. And here's the window sticker or build sheet. Pretty loaded too for 72. Let's check out under the hood. Oh, 350. It's like a 650 double pumper under there. Power steering, power brakes. Got some headers on there. Aluminum heads. Cam, right?
Yes.
Those are Edelbrock. High-rise manifold. K&N air filter. You said you just put a brand new compressor on it too, right?
Yes. Yes.
So the air is blowing nice and cold?
It's fantastic.
Beautiful. Let's fire it up. Sounds great. Got a nice lumpy sound to it.
Yes, it does.
Real healthy, right, Tim?
Yes. You're making it sound good. Maybe I won't want to get rid of it.
Nice truck. Chrome alternator, chrome valve covers, electronic ignition. Looks like a fairly new battery. Got the finishing under the hood there. Looks like Dyno Mat's under there, right there?
Yes.
Quiet it down.
Yes.
Keep the rattles out. Sounds good. Let's go for a ride around the block. Big lofty bench seat. Such a difference with the aluminum heads, right?
Oh yeah, big difference. No shimmies, no shakes. It brakes nice and even.
Yep, no rattles.
No rattles.
That Dyno Mat makes a big difference. You
Yeah.
put it on the interior at all?
No, just over the hood.
Wow, not a squeak.
Original.
Wow.
And I see some Super Cheyennes with it and some without it.
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main websites, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.